Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun, exciting Godzilla vs. Kong video, I want to show you guys a video on how to draw Godzilla biting Kong's arm. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with Godzilla. And I'm going to start right here with his face. So I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to go down. I'm going to bring it back like this. Then I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to make another one that's just going to go down and it's going to come back like that. Next I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down and up. And another one right here that's going to curve down and up for the eyes. Now starting in here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve across. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down here, and a little one that's going to go down like this. I'm going to draw a little line down on each side. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and across like this. Next I'm going to bring these lines up just a little bit farther. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out like this, and then another one right out to here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out on each side. And I'm going to make a couple little lines going down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and it's going to come up. And another one's going to go out and then up here. Next I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around. And I'm just going to bring this around here. Then I'm just going to make a little line that's going to come over here. Then we're going to add some sharp teeth in here right along the top here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw Kong's hand over here. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. And it's going to come back down like this. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out. And then it's going to come back to here. Make another one right here. Make one more here. And then one more right here and bring it down. Then I'm just going to draw a little line across here. And I'm just going to make a nice kind of zigzag line coming down here to kind of form his hand, or his arm. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line, couple little broken lines up on top of Godzilla's face. And then I'm just going to make a nice little broken line up here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes across, and then a little line that goes down. You can see I'm kind of making it broken so we can leave some space in here. Then I'm just going to make a nice little broken line that's just going to come right to about here. Starting here, I'm going to make Godzilla's arm. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out here. And then we're going to angle it down. I'm going to start here by making a little line that's going to curve down. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring it down a little bit more. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to come to a point and then down. Make another one right here, it's going to go down and up. One more right here, and then we're going to curve it up here. Then I'm going to make a little line right in here to kind of show where that thumb would be. Actually, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to curve it up here. We're going to add just a couple little curved lines in here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to leave some space and draw another one up here. And then starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down. And I'm going to make this line come up a little bit, and I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up, and then another one's going to come down to a point and up. Then I'm going to make one more, it's going to go down, and it's going to come up here. And one more right there, a little small one. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then one's going to come right down to here. Kind of show where his other arm is. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's just going to come down like this for his leg. I'll make one that's going to come down here. I want to make kind of like a little broken circle shape. I want to make another big line that's going to come down here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and then another one down here. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out, and then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. And we're just going to kind of connect it right there. And we'll draw a little kind of broken circle shape for the knee. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to kind of curve up, just kind of show where Kong's shoulder is going to be. And then I'm going to finish adding some details on Godzilla. So I'm going to start just by kind of adding some little spike shapes here. I'm going to add a couple more kind of spikes right along here, and I'm just going to start making them get a little bit bigger and bigger as I go down the body. And I'm going to take this line, I'm just going to kind of curve it off to the end here to kind of show where the tail is going to be. And I'm going to make it kind of pop right out here and bring it back. And I'm going to add just a few more kind of pointed, jagged spikes right around here. Then starting here, I'm going to add just another kind of little kind of shaggy line like this with lots of zigzags in it. Then starting right about here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up here for Kong's eye. I'm going to make another little curved line, and then one that's going to go down and up here. Make a little line right here, and then another one right here. Little line's going to go out and down, another one's going to go out and down, and then we're going to add a couple little lines in here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down, and it's going to go up, and it's going to curl right around here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out and down. And then right here, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go around, and I'm going to bring it right to here. I'm going to add some kind of sharp teeth in here. Little line's going to go down and then in. I'll make a little line that's going to curve out, and then we'll just kind of bring it down here. I'm going to add a couple more little points right here. You won't see all of them. You can see how it's kind of like his head is turning. Next, starting here, we're going to make just a few kind of curved zigzag lines coming down to show some fur. Make a couple of lines are just going to curve back here and then down. Then I'm just going to kind of curve these lines down, leave some broken lines. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve around with a little design in there. And then we'll add a couple of lines underneath Kong's eyes. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw just a little line that's going to come down, and it's going to come right to here. And we're just going to kind of continue this line down. I'm going to go and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up here, and then another one's going to curve down to kind of show where his other arm would be. Make a little line that's going to come out and then right over to here. And then one's just going to kind of curve up here. We're going to bring this out a little more. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. I'm going to bring it down and then come back. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve right around here. Make another line that's going to go out and then bring it back here. Show another finger. We'll add another little line right over here. We'll put another finger right there. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down. Then we're going to make another line that's going to come down here. I'm going to make this line come out here a little bit. One is by to be kind of twisting just a bit. So we're going to make this line come down. I'll make a line that's going to go out and then down. And another one's going to come out and then down here. And this line is going to come out and then down to here. Then we're going to make another line that's going to come out and then go straight down. Now we want to come in here and add some different details on here. So let's start with Godzilla. So one of the things I want to do is just add some details to his face. I'm just going to add a couple little lines kind of coming up here. I'm going to add just some kind of long lines coming right down his head here. We're going to make some little curved lines kind of showing where the neck would be, some long lines coming down. Put some claws on each finger. I'm going to make some kind of long broken lines going right along the arms here. And we're just going to make some more kind of long broken lines coming down the body. Some little lines on his stomach. I like to make a bunch of curved lines right around where his knee would be. And we're just going to make some lines kind of coming right down here. Same thing on this one, just some long broken lines right along the leg for some details. And we're just going to add these all around here. We're going to make some kind of long broken lines coming down his tail too, just for some more details and stuff. And then I'm also going to just kind of keep adding some big spikes going right down his tail too. We'll kind of add some extra little lines on each one of these. Make some on the top, some on the bottom, kind of all over the place. And then we just kind of add some little lines wherever you guys want to. Just kind of be creative. We'll add some little points on here for some more spikes. Now starting over here, we're just going to add some quick little long lines on here. I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve down and then over for his tongue. Add a couple more little lines by his eye. Some little broken lines by his mouth. Some quick little curved lines by the side of his face and his head just to show some detail. And some quick little lines right around here. Some more over here. We'll add some little wrinkle lines on his fingers. I'm going to add just some kind of long lines over here by his legs and everything, just to kind of show where there might be a little bit of texture and some extra fur. And there you go. There is your drawing of Kong versus Godzilla in a little battle pose. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.